She's so nervous.
Oh no!
Oh, you didn't turn off your device. Now you lost the chance. And you have now 4 chances left. Please turn off your device or you will lose another chance.
I think Rainbow is so sad, but I'm not. Wait, what are you doing here? Stop! Oh no!
Oh no!
Rainbow is angry.
Don't look angry.
Alright, 3 chances.
I think
Three more times.
you're not
That something bad is gonna happen. Turn off your device.
I'm not gonna ignore you, okay?
I'm not gonna ignore you.
Oh no!
Oh no!
To us again. You're making us mad. And you wouldn't like us when we get mad. 2 more chances.
Uh-oh. The device said, where did everyone go? Oh no!
Oh no!
Okay. You've really started to get on our last nerves. I swear this is your last chance. If you don't turn off your device in the next 10 seconds, then you're not gonna like what happens next.
10 seconds! Oh no. The timer begins. Oh,
Wait!
where is it? Not here. Wait! This one will be working.
Oh no!
Please!
It's-
Oh, come
oh,
on.
no.
Not working. Too late.
That's it. You asked for this.
Ask for what?
Ask for what?
Why didn't you listen? This is the end. Friend. Wait, what?
What? Wait, what?
Please, Rainbow, don't do it. Uh-oh. Oh no, the power's going out. Please, Rainbow, don't do it. Don't. Please. Am I... What the hell is this jump scare?
It says
It says see you later.
What?
What?
Bye.